Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips, and today we're starting a new series which is called Skincare for Noobs, because you guys showered so much love on Makeup for Noobs and then constantly requested that you wanted to have a video like the same sort of videos you had for Makeup for Noobs. You wanted the same on Skincare for Noobs. So guess what? Here I am with the first episode of Skincare for Noobs. I'm just telling you guys कि आज की वीडियो बहुत next level chatty है. मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद इतनी बातों के मूड में आई हूँ. So I'm just going to let you know what we're going to talk about in this video. So the first thing that we're talking about is the different skin types that are there, how to determine your skin type, what are the very basic ways that you can take care of your skin. कोई next level expensive and bougie skincare system नहीं बता रही इसके अंदर. There are very basic things that you can do to take care of your certain skin type. And then my journey with, to be very honest, in the early days I used to think that if I want to determine what skin type am I will have to go to a dermatologist and only she or he will be able to tell what my skin type actually is. But to be very honest, it's not at all that hard, and today I'm going to simplify this entire thing for you. Let's talk about skin types. So there are 5 different skin types, alright? The first one is normal skin, lucky people. Then there's dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, and then sensitive skin. So you normal skinned people, very lucky people, let me just start off by saying that very lucky people. So when you touch your skin, you can instantly feel that you have a smooth texture. I know कि अभी बहुत सारे लोगों को हो रहा होगा, yeah, we can relate to that, ये normal नहीं है. So if you're one of them, mashallah from my side to you, okay? So when you touch your skin, you don't feel a bumpy texture. You don't feel a bumpy texture. You know that this is a smooth skin. When you go close to the mirror or you can zoom into your pictures, you can see that they're very fine pores. You don't see very visibly large pores on your skin. When it comes to blemishes like acne scars, scarring, koi bhi kisam ke daag dhabbe, they will be really less to none of those on your skin. Again, mashallah to you guys. Then another thing, most of you aren't even sensitive. यानी कि बहुत सारी ऐसी skin care है that might not even break you out, and you guys usually have no to very less breakouts. Lucky people all over again. Moving forward to the people with dry skin. So what happens to your skin is you might feel that your skin might get a little itchy at times. There are red bumps that also feel itchy. Your skin is usually dry and like really tight. It feels very, like khichi, full on like that. It might even be flaky or rough, like when you itch, so you might feel like, oh my god, किसी ने eraser मारा है, what's going on? So that's when you know that your skin is really dry, because it has less moisture. So it's definitely going to look flaky or rough, and even the texture is not going to be very soft because the skin is pretty dry. It's very easy to recognize if you have oily skin. Why? Because you're glistening all the time. Your skin's always going to be shiny, and if you take a blotting paper and just blot different places of your face and check it under the sunlight, it's definitely going to be greasy. And not just that, even when you go in front of the mirror and you check your pores are big. They're like open, big pores, and that is also a reason why we're very prone to breakouts. People with oily skin are actually very prone to breakouts. I myself am an oily girl. I know कि मैं कितना ख्याल रखने की कोशिश करती हूँ अपनी skin का. Oh my god, you have no idea. Oh my god, that was very Janice of me. Oh my god. अच्छा खैर, whatever. So you get the point, right? The combination skin type is oily and dry. So mostly what happens is that your T-zone is usually oily. यानी कि इन हिस्सों पे ज़्यादातर you see the oil coming in and the grease coming in, but your cheeks are dry. मतलब उन पे कोई भी oily, greasy feel नहीं आती, and that's when you know that you're a combination skin type. किसी एक skin type को आप अपने आप को किसी एक skin type के अंदर नहीं डाल सकते. You're basically a combination skin type. Now coming to the sensitive skin type. So basically, sensitive skin types wale are obviously different than people with skin allergies, okay? स्किन एलर्जीज फर्क होती हैं और स्किन सेंसिटिविटी इज डिफरेंट. So the people with sensitive skin, it's very easy to determine if you have sensitive skin. Why? Because your skin is actually oily in the summers, it's dry in the winters. If you eat any spicy food, your skin's gonna get red and flushy. If you use any skincare product that has any harsh substances in it, for example scrubbing, your skin's gonna get really red. And if you wax your face, तो फिर तबाही मच गई. I can't even say anything about it. सही है. So that's how you know that you have a sensitive skin type. One more thing, sensitive skin also feels itchy and tight. So you understand how a sensitive skin type is basically a mix of all of the skin types except the normal wale. You guys are lucky, so but like the sensitive skin type has oily moods in the summer, it has dry moods in the winter, it is also oily, it is also going to get red, it is also going to tell everybody that you've eaten spicy food. Difficult skin type. पहले जो बेसिक टिप्स हैं वो मैं सारी स्किन टाइप्स के लिए एक बेसिक स्किन केयर टिप्स दूंगी. सो द थिंग इज दैट यू आर ऑलवेज सपोज टू वेयर सनस्क्रीन. इट डजेंट मैटर कि आप बाहर जा रहे हैं या आप घर के अंदर हैं. अगर बाहर सूरज निकला हुआ है, यू आर सपोज टू हैव सनस्क्रीन ऑन. इट डज नॉट मैटर बिकॉज सबसे ज़्यादा जो स्किन डैमेज होता है और सबसे ज़्यादा जो आपको एज करता है क्विकली, दैट इज सन डैमेज. So if you are not protecting your skin from sun damage, you're also prone to skin cancer and aging. If you're not scared of aging, it's perfectly fine. You should be scared of skin cancer. The second thing is that no matter how tired you are, I understand you, okay? I do understand that sometimes we come back home and we're like very tired. We just do not want to go and wash our face. Like, खुदा के लिए यार प्लीज, बट यू हैव टू. आई एम वेरी सॉरी बट यू जस्ट हैव टू. सो गेट अप, वॉश योर फेस, ओके, properly wash your face, cleanse it, not just with a sabun, with a proper cleanser. Go wash your face and then come back and lie down, okay? It's okay, नींद नहीं उड़ेगी, just do it. I've actually heard this myth quite a lot that people with oily skin think that oh my god हम moisturize करेंगे तो no guys, it's actually the oily skinned people's best friend, a moisturizer. Just make sure that you're not using an oil based moisturizer. You can go ahead with a gel based one or a water based one. Just take care of that, but you have to moisturize your skin. That is what keeps it hydrated and that is what is going to keep your skin normal. ये एक बहुत basic सा है, you know, like आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं ना, तो एक चीज़ का ख्याल रखें कि आप अपने चेहरे को धो रहे हैं रोज़ 2 दफ़ा, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. अगर आप मेकअप लगाते हैं, आप अपने मेकअप को उतार के सो रहे हैं. अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हैं या नहीं भी जा रहे हैं, आप दिन में अपने आप को सन रेज से लाइक यू आर इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद सन रेज, तो आप सनस्क्रीन लगा रहे हैं. और चौथी चीज़ कि आप अपने चेहरे को हाइड्रेटेड रख रहे हैं. यू आर बेसिकली मॉइस्चराइजिंग योर फेस. दीज वर द वेरी बेसिक टिप्स. ओके, नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू शेयर समथिंग अ लिटिल बिट more skin type specific. Now I know that most of you that have a normal skin type will just be like, ठीक है यार, हम नहीं छेड़े अपनी skin को, it's perfect the way that it is. I know, I get it. Don't overdose on chocolates and those sodas just because you can. You know that can revert very quickly. I mean, you don't want it to, okay? So keep your skin hydrated again and then keep wearing sunscreen, and please don't binge on something just because you have good skin, Please take care of it. So people with oily skin actually think कि जितने harsh scrubs होंगे और हम उनको full रगड़ के exfoliate करेंगे and just we're gonna go crazy with them. So that is just something that's going to help us in our oil production. Bhai, it does help us in our oil production, but do you know how? It just goes like oil ले लो, oil ले लो, oil ले लो. It's not like कम हो जाती है वो. It increases. So you're not supposed to scrub or exfoliate your skin too much. Twice in a week is perfectly fine. वो भी अगर आप अल्लाह, oh my god, मुझे अभी याद आया and I will bring this here. अगर आप गलती से भी सेंट आइव्स का बहुत फेमस एप्रिकॉट स्क्रब यूज कर रहे हैं, प्लीज उसको उठा के फेंक दें. इट लिटरली हैज पत्थर जैसे, नॉट इवन किडिंग, वो जो झामा होता है ना जिससे हम अपने पाँव रगड़ते हैं, उसके टुकड़े करके उस लेवल के पथरीले उसके अंदर स्क्रबिंग पार्टिकल्स हैं जिससे आप अपने चेहरे को रगड़ते हैं रोज, थिंकिंग कि योर स्किन इज प्रॉबेबली गोइंग टू गेट क्लीनर एंड इट्स गोना लुक बेटर. No, that's the worst way of scrubbing your skin. All the jazbaats aside, दूसरी चीज, most of the people have a lot of alcohol in their toners, ठीक है. अगर आपके पहले 5 ingredients के अंदर you can see alcohol or alcohol denat written in it, it's fine if you use it less, rarely, ठीक है. बट इफ यू यूज इट एवरी डे, जस्ट नो कि अल्कोहल इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है टोनर्स के अंदर कि वो बिल्कुल ही वाइप आउट कर देता है आपके सारे ऑयल प्रोडक्शन को. बट दैट्स ओनली फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. इवेंचुअली व्हाट विल हैपन इज कि आपकी जो वो सारे ऑयल की प्रोडक्शन को कम कर रहा है, ओवर टाइम वो आपकी स्किन के अंदर आपकी ऑयल प्रोडक्शन को बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा रहा है. इट्स इवेंचुअली गोइंग टू मेक यू सो ऑयली ओवर द इयर्स दैट यू गोइंग टू क्राई अगेन, ऑयल ले लो, ऑयल ले लो, ऑयल ले लो. Again, that situation. So there are a few things that you need to be well educated about, and you need to take care of your skin accordingly. Now, the very basic tips for people with dry skin: keep your skin well moisturized. You know कि जितना आपकी स्किन के अंदर हाइड्रेशन होगा उतनी आपकी स्किन हेल्दी लगेगी, उतनी हेल्दी फील करेगी. हाइलुरोनिक एसिड इज अमेजिंग फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स, जस्ट बाय द वे, आई मीन लिटरली ऑल स्किन टाइप्स, क्योंकि वो ऑयली कॉम्पोनेंट नहीं है, बट इट जस्ट moisturizes your skin, it hydrates it. उसके बाद आपको फील होता है like oh my god, wow, nice skin, you know. दूसरी चीज, आप लोगों को अपनी स्किन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. The more water you drink, the more hydrated you are from inside, the more hydrated your skin is. That's when it looks healthier, that's when it looks more glowy. Now, another thing, if you have dry skin and you love taking really long hot showers, try and minimize the shower time, because जितना time आप shower में गुजारते हैं and you have a lot of the hot water or cold water running on your face, or you're in a steam pod or something like that, because trust me, I know that feeling. Whenever I like to take showers, it's a basically जलता हुआ shower जिसके अंदर से धुएं निकल रहे होते हैं. Even when I walk out of it, तो धुएं मेरे अंदर से निकल रहे होते हैं. So, उसमें ये होता है कि जो आपके स्किन के अंदर बेसिक एसेंशियल ऑयल्स भी है ना आपके स्किन के, वो स्ट्रिप ऑफ हो जाते हैं. लाइक लिटरली आपकी स्किन उसके बाद रेड, फ्लेकी, ड्राई हो जाती है. सो पीपल विद ऑयली स्किन कैन जस्ट हैव फन इन दैट सेक्टर, यू नो, लाइक ओ माय गॉड, टेक लॉन्ग बाथ्स, क्या होगा, स्किन थोड़ी ऑयल फ्री हो जाएगी यार, लेट्स गो अहेड एंड डू इट. बट यू गाइस शुडंट डू इट. सही है, try and minimize the hot time, okay? At least तुम लोगों को breakouts नहीं होते यार, be happy about it. हम oily skin वालों को breakouts से भी इतना deal करना पड़ता है. You guys go through less breakouts. Now coming on to the combination skin type. Now obviously you guys need to understand that you're dealing with the best of both worlds. So as you know कि आपकी skin पे कहीं पे large pores हैं, कहीं पे small pores हैं, कहीं पे next level oil है, कहीं पे नहीं है, कहीं पे skin dry है, कहीं पे skin oily है, basically full on chemical लोचा है, ठीक है. So when you're dealing with the best of both worlds, you need to cater to all of them as well. सही है, you can't just run away from that. तो you have to have a two-way skincare routine, obviously. तो उसके लिए अब ये होता है कि अब हम ये तो नहीं ना कर सकते कि we're going to wash our face if we are following a basic skincare routine. तो हम आधा मुंह किसी और चीज़ से धोएं और आधा मुंह किसी और चीज़ से. So for that, what's most recommended is that you go ahead and use a very gentle or a mild facial cleanser. ठीक है, don't use harsh products on your skin because some parts of your skin have really large pores, so that might break you out. So it's better to just go ahead and use a gentle sa cleanser on your face to cleanse it every day. You also are very prone to breakouts. I mean, we are very prone to breakouts. मतलब कभी भी कहीं भी कोई भी दाना निकल सकता है. And if you are basically going to go overboard with anything, especially scrubbing, you are going to break out really badly. Now the people with sensitive skin types, it's very easy to understand the fact that you do not need to overdo your skincare regime. Have a mild cleanser, have a nice mild moisturizer. Everything is like mild in capitals, ठीक है? A mild cleanser, a mild moisturizer, wear sunscreen every day. It's going to save you from all of the sensitivity. And even if you're ever trying anything at all, God please, anything at all, चाहे वो फेस वैक्स हो, चाहे वो हेयर डाई हो, चाहे वो कोई लोशन हो, चाहे वो कोई फेस क्रीम हो, always do a patch test, because that's when you will be able to know कि did this suit me, does this suit me, will this suit me or not. Also, if you're ever using bleach on your skin, be very careful that you do a patch test, please. Now I know that I shared a lot of information in one video, but please understand that it's very important for you to know your skin. If you know your skin, you can't do it wrong. You will be taking care of it. But just understand that these are the basics that every girl and guy out there should know about their skin. Because see, your skin is actually the largest organ of your body. It is the thing that wraps you around. If you don't take care of your skin, you're not taking care of yourself enough, right? So when you know your skin, you can't do it wrong. I mean, there's no way to go wrong about it. You know what to eat so that it benefits your inner health and your outer health. You know what to apply in terms of skincare and makeup. And you know that there's no way that you can go wrong with this. And when you take care of your skin, you feel better about yourself as well. Now I do know कि बहुत next level chatty video हो गई, but I just wanted to let you guys know that some things take time. Some things take a little bit of research, a little bit of learning. So if you're in a bad skin phase right now, just know that doing right by your skin is eventually going to take you where you want to be. सही है? So stop worrying. फिक्र करना बंद कर दें. Alright? That's one very basic thing. Now I hope that you guys had fun. I hope कि मेरी सारी बातों ने आपको बोर नहीं किया, because I was literally talking and talking and talking. So I will catch you guys in my next video.